So, good day, sir. I am James P. De Las Rios, 18 years old, from Barangay Central 2, Palampon, Leyte, and I am BSMT First Charlie. So, today I'll be answering the question, how would contemporary science support the existence of God? So, in contemporary science, the Big Bang Theory is widely known and supported by scientists. And so, if we take the Big Bang Theory, the beginning of universe by way of Big Bang Theory, then it must have a cause. As stated per cosmological argument, as a major premise that anything that began to exist has a cause. There's a minor premise, the universe existed, so it has a cause. And the universe began with space, time, and matter at the same time. So their cause must be beyond them. So their cause must be spaceless, timeless, and immaterial, which are characteristics that points to God. And for the second question, how would I respond to Mr. Richard Dawkins' question, who created God? So firstly, in philosophy, God is considered as necessary being who exists naturally. So God is uncause because He's the cause. And God is uncreated since He's the one who creates, or He's the creator. And unlike Mr. Richard Dawkins' response that points to an infinite chain of bigger being to bigger being to bigger being that eventually reaches to cause us to exist. So that way, there would be no starting point. So it would make no sense. So therefore, there must be a first cause, a first uncaused cause. And in philosophy, that cause is identified as God. And additionally, there's a saying that a created God is not God at all. That's all, sir. Thank you.